Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend you're facing lots of problem to unlock your smartphone, and still now you watched a lots of video to unlock your smartphone still now you're failed to unlock your smartphone. Okay, my friend, if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work in your smartphone. What is the reason why sometimes this type of technique didn't work on your smartphone. Before I reveal this method, the main thing is that the most important thing is that you should also take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be less than 30% charge. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or you can also take help of your smartphone's charger at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then it's okay. Otherwise, you can also take help of my upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. I will unlock your smartphone within 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so watch this video till the end. It may be possible this video takes 8 to 10 minutes, but this is a tutorial video, that's why it's taking 8 to 10 minutes. Otherwise, this is a very simple step by which you can unlock your smartphone within 2 or 3 minutes. Watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning the method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone, my friend. As you know, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. Now you can see here my phone's Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network is on. So firstly, you will have to switch off your smartphone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network, and for this you have to slide your phone downside like this. You can see here there are lots of keys on the hotkey, but you will have to go with the airplane mode or flight mode. You can see here there is an option of a flight mode. Okay, now simply you will have to activate this flight mode, and when you will activate this flight mode, your all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network now you're switched off. Now your phone is ready to go with the offline unlocking method. But before going to the offline unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your phone. The main thing is that your phone's all the background running application should be closed. Okay, and generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the every service center to close the background running application when your phone is locked, and these type of secret codes update within 2 and 3 days. Okay, and if this secret code helped you to unlock your smartphone, it's okay. Otherwise, you can also watch my upcoming videos. Okay, now simply how will you feed this secret code in your smartphone to close the background running application? Simply you can see here there is an option of an emergency call option. So simply you will have to go with this emergency call option, and when you will click on this emergency call option, you will get a dialing pad like this. Now the secret code what I'm going to give you, you will have to feed this secret code in this dialing pad like here. And today's recent secret code is star 222 then star 33 then star 4444, sorry 4 times 4 then star 00 then hash. After feeding this number, you will have to first time call on this secret code, and at the first time when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again, you will have to call on this number 3 times continuously. After calling on this number 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. But before going to the master unlocking method, firstly you will have to clear this call log like this. Now you will have to feed a secret code to reach to the engineers mode, and this secret code is star hash 899 then hash. Now I'm going to click on hash. You can see here After feeding this USSD code, you can see here a new page has been appeared on my phone display, and this page's name is after sales page, and it's also known as master unlocking page. Okay, now you will get a lots of option on this page. You can see here, but you can see here at the 5th number the option is showing here software version. So simply you will have to go with this option, And when you will go with this option, you will reach to a new page and you will get on first option your phone's model number. So simply you don't have to go with this model number options. Second number you can see here, showing here Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10 or 12, so don't worry at all. If your Android version showing here 12, it means you will have to simply click on this Android version option 12 times rapidly. But here my Android version is 13, it means I will have to click on this option 13 times rapidly, like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Now the first step has been done. After this you will have to simply go with the back button, and again you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option above the software version. You can see here the option is manual test option. Simply you will have to click on this manual test option. Again you will when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to the engineers mode page. You can see here, and the option is showing here assembly test project, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but don't go with any option on this page. After this you will have to simply slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other. Now you can see here at the end of the slide, others page has been appeared on my phone display. Now you will also get a 5 type of option on others page, okay, but you don't have to go any other option. You will have to go with the option of a mainboard version. You can see here at the 4th number mainboard version is showing. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, but both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name, okay. So simply you will have to click on this mainboard version 9 times rapidly, okay. This is the most important step, because after clicking on this number, this mainboard version, your phone will be unlocked, okay. So you will have to click on this mainboard version 9 times like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. After clicking on this, you can see here the second option is showing here read write important lock test. Now you will have to go with this read write important lock test, and at the first time when you will click on this read write important lock test, you will reach to a new page and you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this. Simply you will have to cancel this at the first time. Again at the second time do the same, and the third time you will have again to cancel here. But at the 4th time when you will click on this option, you will have to go with the OK prompt. Now when you will click on this OK prompt, it means your phone's all the pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Now after this I'm going to give you a very last step, and it's most important step, so be careful about this step. And if you have skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock and you will have to watch this video again. So watch the video properly and follow the every step properly, okay. So my friend, after this simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here device debugging page option has been appeared on my phone display. You can see here. Now after this you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number. You can see here, okay. Now you will have to go with this sensor self test and calibration option, and again you will when click on the sensor self test and calibration option, a new page will be appeared on your phone display, and you will get a 2 type of option, 3 type of option, or a single option. So don't worry at all the options are showing here operation not started. You can see here. After this simply you will have to click on these option and start these operation like this, and you will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test passed message in green color. You can see here. Now I'm going to click on this. You can see here test has been started but the test failed. The second option test has been started and test failed. The third option test has been started, but the third option I got a single test passed message. Now it means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Now my phone has been completely unlocked. Now my phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. But how will I check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? Now you can see here at the bottom of the phone the option is showing here home button. So simply I will have to click on this home button to check whether my phone has been unlocked. No, now I am going to click on this home button. You can see here. You can see my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my phone as it is as in my phone. It means this method really works, and you may also unlock your smartphone by the sitting at your home, and you don't have to go any service center, and you don't need any computer application to unlock your smartphone, and you don't have to expense a single penny to unlock your smartphone. So thank you so much my friend. If this video helped you to unlock your smartphone, then like this video, and if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will quick response on your comments. Thank you so much.